She's okay. Okay.
I didn't mean to get I'm sorry.
So it's just.
Don't mess up. Too late. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It'll go back. What if you just go bald? What would
I
you
think
do?
I could deal with that idea.
Oh, I got him.
Or it's probably done.
I'm not ready. I'm sorry. She's really focusing. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
I'll just be a little bad. I'm not sure. Sometimes I don't even look
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay, no.
I feel like she's gonna do good and bad.
It's just gonna look a little different. Okay. I'm gonna go up, up, up.
Wow, you're looking exactly the same. Thanks. I'm gonna take this much off your hair to change my whole personality. Oh yeah. Good one.
I'm sorry. So it's just layers. It's very long in the back. It doesn't even look good. To me,
Go sis.
not yet.
She's entrusting you with her hair and you're like feeling her. Here, we'll just do this. I'm just kidding. Here. I'm just kidding. There's not that much hair. Now for the finished result.
Who is that
girl?
I will curl it so you don't notice all
So
the-
different.
It looks great.
We're gonna curl it?
Yeah.
It's gonna be dry. It's gonna take a while. Yeah.
Where's the blow dry?
Alright, well, we will get back to the video once her hair is dry. It's not bad.
You can't see it too bad.
I don't know why it's kind of weird. No. roll it.
I wouldn't.
Are you gonna curl it now?
Yeah, I'm not good at curling.
What happened?
Here, put the face down.
Okay. That's okay.
I don't know how to do this.
Hey, that's what Bethany does.
Yeah, Bethany showed me how to do it, and I still can't get mine to look as good as hers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Aww.
That is
Aww.
that's not too bad. We'll just make him not too good.
Okay. Yeah. Well, we will come back when this is all done because it's really pointless to record all of it. So,
No, it's not. Something
yes.
funny might happen.
Yeah, but it's a lot of recording to get to that. So, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Just kidding.
Now the curling is all done, and it's just actually wavy because it wouldn't curl, but this is curly. And cute little bun because I didn't want to do the rest. Looks so cute. Say bye.
Bye.